Okay, we are going to look at how did I set up Windows and Excel files. So you can use a virtual drive, and I'm using Microsoft XP and an Excel inside that because my outermost covering is Linux. So that is one of the good ways to use it, although I have an Ubuntu inside an Ubuntu as well, but XP inside an Ubuntu is a good way to use it. So you can get this file from me. I'm going to show you more something about the virtual drive setup. So if I go to show in file manager, this whole thing, VirtualBox with the XP thing, it's very fast and it's only like 10 GB, so not that bad. And let me show you how to run the code inside this one. So if I want to run a code, then I can give you this virtual drive, and this has everything installed. When you want to run a code, let's see, range v2 g2 is equal to now, so a b c d e f g2, a b c d e f g2. Got a little messier here. So let's try to run this code and see what happens. Maybe it's going to give an error, maybe it's not going to give an error. Okay, so this creates the assembly based on you see sheet A, US assembly desktop, US assembly desktop, US assembly mobile, and this creates a timesheet of what's going to happen. So we are going to change this code, but this is how the code is working.